Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to find a pinned post on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. Whether you want to check your own pinned post or see someone else's, the process is simple and only takes a few taps. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and your timeline. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture right there. Go ahead and tap on it. From the menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you straight to your personal page where all your public posts are displayed. Your profile is arranged in chronological order, but X gives you an easy way to keep one post visible at the top. That's your pinned post. If you already have a pinned post, it will appear right at the very top of your timeline. Above all, your other recent content. It won't move down no matter how many new posts you share. This is the post you've chosen to highlight, whether it's an announcement, an update, or just something important you want people to see first. If you don't see a pinned post, it simply means you haven't pinned one yet. You can always do that by finding any post you've written, tapping the three dots in the top right of that post, and selecting Pin to your profile. Once pinned, it will immediately show up at the top of your profile page for you and others to view, and that's it. That's exactly how you can find your pinned post. Open the X app, tap your profile picture, go to profile, and check the very top of your timeline. Keeping that one message front and center makes it easy for followers to catch what matters most.